Stuart messes with electrical outlets. A sweltering summer day. Stuart wanted to turn on the fan to cool down. But instead of asking an adult for help, the boy acted on his own. Stuart, absolutely do not touch the electrical outlet. It's very dangerous. No, no. Luckily, the automatic shutdown system activated, and older brother Kevin rushed to the rescue. If children want to use electrical appliances, they must remember to ask an adult for help. Electrical outlets are not toys. Always keep a safe distance from electrical sources, kids.
Mission: rescue the trees. A scorching hot day. The old tree in Gru's garden is slowly withering. Huh? Oh, They begin the rescue mission. But the water tap is too heavy. Goodbye, wheelbarrows. We need a solution. A superhero. A miracle happened right before our eyes. Trees are our green lungs. Let's love and protect them. Super fast cleanup campaign. After a wild party, Gru's living room has turned into a toy battlefield.
Agnes, Bob, if you don't clean up within 1 minute, there will be no cartoons tonight.
1 minute? That's an impossible task. But Agnes had an idea. Toy rescue team, let's go. Bello poupée. Instead of cleaning by hand, they cleaned in, Minion style. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up!
Aha!
It's clean now, Mr. Gru. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring if we know how to turn it into a game. Self-reliance in cleaning. Have fun. Keep your home clean.
Minion style invisibility. A boring day. While Gru is away, the trio decides to organize a World Hide-and-Seek Championship. One banana, 2 bananas. Kevin has finished counting. Can Stuart and Bob fool their older brother's keen eyes?
Huh?
Meanwhile, Bob had found a hiding place. That couldn't be more inconspicuous. The game ends when the statue, Stuart, loses its balance. It seems the winner isn't necessarily the best at hiding. Hide and seek is fun, but don't turn yourself into a decoration.
The Germ Wars. Lunchtime is here. A giant, delicious donut is waiting for the hungry champions. But wait! There are some uninvited guests hiding on their hands. The war is on! Prepare the heavy weapons! Soap bubble attack! Germs, be gone! And now, it's time to feast! Banana versus robot vacuum.
Whoa!
Oh, shit!
Huh? Huh?
Oh, man.
Campaign cookie. Super fast sorting mission. After the birthday party, Gru's yard looks like a giant junkyard.
Oh!
Kevin understands the process, but Stuart, it's still unclear which is which.
Sort your waste using the green bin for recyclable waste, the yellow bin for organic waste, and the red bin for other waste.
Sir, yes, sir!
Gru's dad is almost home. You only have 2 minutes left to start cleaning up from scratch. Just then, Gru's dad walked into the yard. Proper waste sorting, protecting the green environment.
The downward race. Kevin sat on a steel-clad toilet. Stuart sat on the toilet seat that had a lightning bolt sticker on it. Bob sat on the pink toilet. Today, Kevin, Stuart, and Bob will be competing on jet-powered toilets. 3, 2, 1, flush the water! Careful! Agnes just spilled a huge bucket of soap onto the racetrack. The finish line is right in front of us. The winner is the one with the most powerful jet engine. No matter what method you use to race, the important thing is to have fun. How to use your phone safely. It was a perfect sunny day for a swim, but instead of having fun in the water, the 3 minions couldn't take their eyes off their phones. Don't use your phone in the pool.
A few moments later.
The opportunity to retrieve the treasure arose when Gru began to fall into a deep sleep.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
No phone in the pool. This time, there won't be a second chance.
Uh-oh.
Step away from your phone screen. The real world has so much more to offer. Limit phone use. Play sports for your health.
Mission to repair trust. Stuart was performing a stick-spinning trick, but he swung his arm too high.
Huh?
Stuart panicked. He tried stuffing the cotton back in and used chewing gum to stick the horn on. Stuart was performing a stick-spinning trick, but he swung his arm too high. Margot is the lead doctor. Stuart is the assistant who holds the needles. Done! The horn is even stronger than before. Courage to admit mistakes. Correct them together.
The mystery of color. Agnes wanted to paint a picture of a flower, but the little girl's color palette was reduced to just 3 basic colors: red, yellow, and blue. Don't worry, Agnes knows the magic of color mixing. The colors created were so beautiful that Stuart couldn't resist. Creativity has made everything perfect. With just a few basic colors, you can create an entire world. Smart color mixing, creating a world of color.
Flower explosion in the kitchen. Today, the eldest sister, Margot, decided to teach her 2 mischievous younger siblings how to make a perfect cake. Rule number 1. You must follow the formula absolutely. Edith. The recipe was just a suggestion, and she preferred something more thrilling. And Stuart? He's willing to help if it seems fun. Margot turned around and realized the kitchen had turned into a snow cave. Although there was no cake, Stuart managed to salvage the situation with his own masterpiece. Whether it's cake or bananas doesn't matter, as long as the whole family is happy.
Super fast green seeds. Today, Kevin decided to transform the barren garden into a flower paradise. But for Stuart and Bob, gardening seemed like a dangerous adventure. To make flowers bloom faster, Stuart has found the secret: Dr. Nefario's super powerful growth stimulant. The power of nature becomes truly terrifying when combined with chemicals. Everything eventually stopped, and the result was unbelievable.
Bubble adventure!
Whoa! No.
Too hot! One summer afternoon at Grew Manor, when the heat can turn a minion into a piece of melted butter. Bob and Kevin spotted Stuart with the fan on, so they immediately ran over to him. The fan, running overloaded, started emitting black smoke. came up with the idea of taking the Minions swimming. The gentle breeze blowing across the Minions by the pool was so refreshing. Yoo-hoo! Everyone was very happy.
Sharing ice cream under the scorching sun. The trio's walk home from school suddenly seemed endless. Each step felt heavy, as if weighed down with lead. Suddenly, a familiar sound rang out. It was the music of heaven. Of satisfaction has arrived. But there was another pair of eyes also looking towards those ice creams. The coolness of the ice cream is wonderful, but the warmth of a kind heart is even better. Sharing doesn't make us poorer, it only multiplies our joy. Happiness is knowing how to share. See ups and balance. The park is open today. Agnes and Stuart excitedly ran to the seesaw. Stuart kept bouncing but couldn't get up. Don't worry, physics will solve everything! Balance is achieved, but what happens if one person leaves?
Whoa! To have fun playing on a seesaw, we need to find a point of balance. Life is like a seesaw. It requires understanding and adjustment to move forward together. Cooperation and balance, having fun together, growing together. Rescuing Teddy Bear. Red alert! Bob's bear, Tim, has been kidnapped by the tallest chandelier in the house. Plan A. Build a mobile Minion tower. Just a little more, Bob, jump! The chandelier screws came loose. Everything fell down.
mission accomplished brilliantly in a very Minion way. Friendship is about not fearing danger and not fearing to be a joked guy. The teddy bear on TV. One peaceful evening, Bob was engrossed in watching television when a toy appeared that captivated him. Rejected, Bob was a little sad, but then a bold idea popped into his head. Meanwhile, the two brothers began to notice the mysterious disappearance.
Uh-oh.
Seeing the homemade bear, the two brothers suddenly realized something.
A few moments later.
The love and affection of older brothers is always the greatest gift for their younger siblings. Family is where love is shared. Minions battle in the mud pool. The rain had just stopped, and a brand new playground had opened up. While Kevin was busy cleaning up the standing water, Stuart and Bob discovered something far more interesting. Stuart, Bob, smearing mud on yourselves will attract bacteria.
Huh? Hey, stop! Stop now! Huh?
The game was spiraling out of control, and Gru's pristine window pane had fallen into view. Oh no, someone inside is absolutely furious! After playing in the dirt, you must clean it up yourself. And absolutely do not make a mess in the house, kids! Keep your house clean. Wash your hands thoroughly after playing in the dirty place. Minion's most unstable picnic. One beautiful day, the three Minions went on a picnic together. Chef Kevin is excitedly preparing his amazing grilled bananas. But fate seemed to enjoy playing tricks on the three brothers' hungry stomachs. If you can't have a picnic outdoors, the best solution is to bring the whole park indoors. They avoided the rain, but they forgot about another rain god inside the house. Anyway, the trio had a truly unique picnic right in their own home. Chasing the wind. On a beautiful sunny day, Lucy was happily strolling down the street. Suddenly, a huge whirlwind blew through from nowhere. Seeing Lucy in trouble, the three minions immediately activated their super-fast rescue plan. Chasing the bag so enthusiastically, the trio completely failed to notice an obstacle ahead. Courage and luck always lead to great endings. Helping others is a way to bring joy to yourself. Be courageous in helping others. Joy will come. Mysterious Shadow. One late afternoon, Stuart and Bob were happily playing with their toys together in their room. But the peaceful atmosphere was suddenly shattered. Is this a coincidence or a cruel joke from the invisible world drawing near?
Uh-oh.
The shadows are coming! Run, Stuart and Bob! And the terrifying ghost that appeared was... It turns out there are no ghosts in the world. It's all just a figment of our imagination when we're scared. There are no ghosts. Don't be afraid of the dark. Avoid imaginary fears. A day in Bob's life. Ring, ring, ring. The clock has struck exactly 8 a.m. Bob, wake up and greet the new day. What's the first thing to do after waking up? That's right, brush your teeth thoroughly. Teeth are clean, face is pretty. Now it's time to get ready for school. Before leaving the house, a well-behaved child never forgets to greet the adults. Bob's energetic new day has begun like this. Have a fun day of studying, Bob. Wake up on time. Brush your teeth on your own. Prepare your books in school. Mysterious helicopter in the house. Stuart and Bob have just returned from a trip. But as soon as they entered the living room, they encountered a very strange and uninvited guest. Look! Look! The helicopter suddenly landed. Was this a clever toy or a prank? Oh no! As soon as I let go, the little guest immediately woke up! Aha! Bob's unstable chicken leg. A beautiful day. Stuart and Bob were strolling down the street, happily munching on 2 golden brown fried chicken legs. But because he was so engrossed in eating, Bob didn't pay attention to where he was going. To save money, Bob did something extremely dangerous to his stomach. Bacteria from the soil and sand have started attacking Bob's poor belly. We've arrived at the hospital. Bob's savior has just appeared. That was a close call. Children, you absolutely must not eat food that has fallen on the ground.